In this video, we're going to assemble our rocket. It appears to be already assembled, sitting here in our part studio, but these parts are not assembled together. They're just made in the same part studio. So let's go to an assembly here and hit Insert, and we want the full part studio. We could insert these individual pieces, but we want to insert the full part studio. So we'll click on it, and then don't click in the space here, just immediately click on the green check mark, and it will place it in a good location for us. Okay, so there it is. Now in an assembly, one part I should say, has to be fixed so it doesn't move. The other ones can move around. So I'm going to have the body tube be the fixed part, and you can see it's fixed right there. Now if we come in here, you'll notice we can still move stuff around. So one thing we can do to fix that is we can use this tool right here called Group. So if I click here and grab the whole thing like so, I can group them, and now they are attached with fixed mates. Okay, but you'll notice that I just have one fin here, and I want to have actually I want to have, let's say, 4. So what I can do there is I can use this tool here, which is called Assembly Circular Pattern, and I can just pattern that fin around this cylinder. So if I click there, so what instance? Well, I want to do the fin. Where is the axis? Well, what I can do for that is just click on the inside here, and it figures out what the axis is, and it starts to put them around there. So you can see it defaults to 2, and let's see, let's put 3, and then it'll space it out at 120. And I think I'm going to leave it there. So we'll put 3 on there, and we'll accept that. And this is our hit Shift 7. Looks like that, but we can move it around, and you can see we have these 3 fins there. All right, so now what we want to do is we want to come over here to the BOM table and clean it up a little bit. We don't really have a part number, so let's remove that column. Let's see, do we have a description? I don't think we do. So let's go ahead and remove that one, but we do have a name, so let's go ahead and add that one. So now we've got a nice bill of materials. While we're at it, let's see if we can make an exploded view. So let's start with perhaps the cone. So let's click there, and we can move it some distance away. This is kind of a big part, so it's not clear exactly how we might proceed here. So let's go, say, I don't know, minus 8. Is that too far? Let's try minus 6. We'll try that because I have to have it further enough out there, because I'm going to move this guy in there, the stuffing. So let's try minus 3. Well, it'll kind of touch it. Let's go minus 2. Maybe that'll be good enough. So there's our stuffing. And we have the pressure cap as well. So let's click on him and bring it out to some number, maybe 1 or minus 1 as things are. Okay, there we go. And now let's do a fin, and let's make sure we know how this is going to work. Okay, so I think we want this guy to come out like that. I don't think we have to go too far there. Let's go 2. And if we come over here to this guy, we're going to go out 2 again. And finally this guy. Let's get out of there. I think I made a mistake there. Oh, there it is. So I want that one. And now this guy, right there. Okay, so it's this one. That'll come out 2, and we'll accept that. And now this one, it'll come out 2, like so. We'll take that, and then I think we're done. Let's finish it right there. So again, Shift 7, get our bearings, and then let's apply the exploded view, and you can kind of see that I think that did it. That's adequate. Okay, so that is our air rocket, and next thing we'll do is we'll start to put these into drawings. Thanks for watching.